to the lockdown Second Nature kitchen in Devon. I'm Olivia and I'm a health coach with Second Nature. I'm being instructed by my technical team behind the camera to move into the middle, this really professional outfit. So today I'm here, Olivia, health coach, Second Nature, and I'm here with my two very reliable assistants. They are Frida, who is a mini health coach.
And I'm awesome.
And she's awesome, apparently, and
Ether. And I'm also awesome.
Also modest. We have had a whole week in Devon. The school started back this week, so we've had a whole week of homeschooling. Hi, Holly.
Hi, Holly and Grace.
They've been told, my children have been told if they do good shout outs that they might get a bit of chocolate or something from their Easter egg stash afterwards. So we're going to be trying to do some good shout outs today. And we're just going to wait for a minute or two and see if anyone else joins. Is there anything that you want to tell the watchers today about?
That my favourite thing in this is oats. My favourite thing isn't on the table. That goes with it. Hi, Martina and Rowena.
So the handwriting of our technical support's a little bit
dodgy.
Dodgy. Right, so today we are going to be cooking for you
naked fruit crumble.
Now, we're real crumble lovers in this house. We absolutely love a crumble, but obviously that's not the most wholesome thing to eat on a daily basis. So we are doing naked fruit crumble. It's a new favourite of ours, and we absolutely love it. So the key ingredient for this is
peaches, but we're using nectarines because we can't find peaches in the shop.
Yeah, so obviously recently actually they're not that seasonal at the moment anyway, but we haven't been able to find peaches, so we have been using
nectarines.
But we've also, Hayley, thank you. You love their hats.
They are very stylish.
Not yet on the merch of Second Nature, but hopefully available soon. Yeah, so we've done it with nectarines. We've also done it with apples, and I'm sure there's all sorts of variations you could do this with. But so far, favourites for us are nectarines and apples. So, shall we get started?
Yes.
Brilliant. So we need
4 peaches.
4 nectarines.
Nectarines.
We've only got 3. And what you would do first, I'll give you the ingredients for this, but if you are part of the Second Nature programme, you can find it in the recipe book or also on the app. And if you're not part of the Second Nature programme, highly recommended, obviously, because you'll get not only this amazing recipe, but loads more, and also it's a fantastic programme. So, what you need is 4 peaches. At this point, you would put the oven to
160, but we've got fans, so we're doing 140.
Yeah, so we've got 140. And so get that ready, heat the oven up, and we would cut our nectarines in half. So Frida, do you want to do this bit?
Yeah.
Obviously, Frida's 10, so just be mindful of sharp knives and things like that, but I sort of trust her.
Sort of.
Well done. Oh yeah. So we've got nectarine. Now, we've got a couple that we cut up earlier. So then what you would do is you'd place the nectarines in a baking dish. Do you want to do these ones as well? Well done. I'll take the pip out of that one. There's another half in there. So I don't let, I would probably let them, but I take the stones out, especially with nectarines because it's quite hard. I think if they're peach it's a bit easier, but it's a bit difficult, so I would probably do that yourselves, adults. And I'll do that later. So, then what do we do next, girls? So we
sprinkle it with butter.
Yeah, so you need 2 tablespoons of butter for this recipe. So 1 tablespoon you would melt and you would pour that over your peaches. So we've also got a little bit less because we've only got 2 here. So if you pour those over, another bit of butter. Yeah, pour it all over. And then once you've done that, what are we going to do with those, Frida?
Now we are going to...
Where do these go?
The oven.
Yeah. So we pop those in the oven for, do you remember how long for?
30 to 40 minutes.
Well done. Perfect. So those are going to go in the oven for 30 to 40 minutes. And we have done a blue Peter and prepared some in advance. So we have some ready so we can show you what we do. The next thing we're going to do is... Do you know what the next thing we do is, Etta?
pecan.
Yeah, so we've got to crush these. When we did this before, or a few times before, we have sprayed pecans all around the kitchen. So we decided for our Instagram live that we would put them in a bag. The bag, we haven't tried this before, so it might explode. Let's see. I'll maybe take it in turn so you don't.
Okay, fit up. No. Oh. Come on.
Okay, one at a time.
Revenge.
Mind your fingers. Do you want to let it go? Crikey. Okay, let's have a look and see what they're doing.
They're dead.
They're very squished. Do you want to do a few more then?
Yeah.
Mind your thumb. I'm nervous that they're gonna.
We do have very great pictures.
Thanks, Harriet. Right, I think that's probably enough.
Oh.
So now what we do with these, so we want to, the other teaspoon of butter, we want to melt it in a pan. So girls,
Smell it in a pan.
teaspoon of butter into there.
How much is it?
Well, hang on, let's get your teaspoon. Do you want to sort of,
Do I just like do a
estimate?
teaspoon?
Yeah.
That's a tablespoon, isn't it?
oh, tablespoon, I mean tablespoon. Sorry, yeah, so you need 2 tablespoons of butter. The first tablespoon you put over your peaches and put them in the oven, or whichever fruit you're using. The second one you would then melt in a pan.
Destroy the butter. Is that a tablespoon?
Yeah, put that in, we'll put a bit more in as well.
Okay. Can I do this destroying?
Destroying it, what do you want to destroy now? It's
Stuff.
yeah, so then we would put this on,
Stuff.
they like destroy stuff, so we put this on and melt the butter. Now what do we need to add into butter, girls?
Cinnamon.
Yeah, so the other parts of the recipe are, we've got our pecans, which we've destroyed.
Cinnamon.
So you need 120 grams of pecans, you want your 30 grams of rolled oats.
And you want cinnamon.
Cinnamon, but it says 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. We are, in this house, we like to use ground sweet cinnamon because it's slightly more cinnamony, in my opinion. but
Slightly more
obviously
sweet.
Slightly more sweet. Okay, so,
More sugar.
are we in picture still? So, mind the heat. We're going to add in a teaspoon of cinnamon over here. It's all going perfectly according to plan, behind the scenes. There we go. Perfect.
Oh, cinnamon.
Slice them over. Now, you want to get the pecans?
Should I put them in?
Yeah, put them in.
The pecans.
And what about the oats? And then you add the oats as well.
I'm adding oats. My favourite part. Why is it your favourite part? Because they're oats. And oats are yum. Squat.
Right.
Yogurt time.
So now,
You
you basically want to sort of cook this until it's brown
Just
and warm up. Mind your fingers on the heat better. You don't want any accidents.
It's alive.
Right, so again, luckily for you, we've pre-prepared some.
Jill in Belfast.
Hi Jill in Belfast. Thanks for joining us in our second nature kitchen.
Very experienced second nature kitchen.
Right, so what we did was we prepared some earlier. Now, the recommendation in second nature is to serve these with a bit of Greek yogurt, which I love.
Or Etta likes cream, because she drinks cream.
This health coach would drink cream if she could.
But we prefer yogurt.
But
We're
we-
yogurt people.
Yeah, we're yogurt.
Yogurt peeps. I'm a cream
So-
person. Cream go better than yogurt.
Do you want to go and get me a spoon from the drawer, please, Etta?
Table tea. Table tea?
Tablespoon, a dessert spoon. So what you do next is you've got your cooked nectarines or peaches or whatever. Do you want to put a spoon on each one? With your topping that you've mixed up, so just a reminder, you've got your oats, you've got your cinnamon, yeah, lovely, your butter and your crushed pecans. You put, this is the crumble topping, so you put this on the top.
That's crumble. On the
And
crumble.
Etta, we need the yogurt out of the fridge.
Yogurt?
It's alright, our technical support is getting the yogurt.
Technical support. Technical. I
So, 2 halves of this like 0.5 of a carb serving. It's really delicious after a meal, and it's just yummy, lovely.
Yummy staying in your tummy.
So you can actually see how well worn this page is in our Second Nature book. We've used it so many times.
And also she spilled water on it.
And I spilled water on it. You don't need to tell everyone that.
Okay.
Right, so then we add a spoon. Oh, you might need a knife and a spoon so that you can eat a little bit and just tell everyone how yummy it is. Do you want me to
Wait,
pop this
what? What are you saying? And then
Shall I pop a bit of yogurt here?
Yeah.
Right, do you want to get a knife and fork and you can try a bit?
Can you get me a knife and fork? We could share one.
Yeah, you can share
Share
a...
a knife.
Yeah, okay, so... Can you see it?
I'm having first dibs.
Technical support is telling me to show it to you. So these are nectarines. Remember, if it was a peach, it would be more colourful. It's delicious. We've got pecans and oats and cinnamon and yoghurt.
Doesn't matter how it looks.
So much goodness.
I got first dibs.
Right, hang on. Let me chop up. Okay, will you go dig in? Right, so taste testers.
That's yours. This is mine. Okay.
Obviously,
It's very delicious.
they've been getting on very well in the lockdown period. They spend a lot of time together. No fighting ever.
Ever. Totally. They're always best buddies.
Very good?
Mmm.
Yeah. So it's really sweet, really delicious, and when they're baked, they're just truly yummy.
Whoa. It'd be easier with your
So, any questions, let us know.
Yeah.
We will obviously put this onto our YouTube channel so you can see it there, or point some of your friends and family to the YouTube channel, because that's a really good place to go for resources, and also our 30-day challenge. And thank you all for watching. Have we had any questions, technical support? No questions? We obviously explained it brilliantly. Are you enjoying that? Yeah? So what do you want to say to everyone for joining us today?
Thank you.
Thanks for joining us. Nice to see you all, and have a brilliant weekend.